You're building a robot that could change the world, a marvel of automation, artificial intelligence, and innovation. But first, your creation needs to learn how to walk, talk, and think like a human. Now, imagine if you could give it a virtual playground where it can practice every skill over and over until it's perfect. MIT researchers have developed AI agents that are creating these virtual playgrounds for robots. Take a look at this. In just 3 short months, they've already trained robots to navigate complex environments with unprecedented precision. This isn't just a game, it's changing everything about how we approach robotics training and development. Imagine a world where every robot is born not just as a machine, but as a learner, learning from these virtual playgrounds until it's ready to take on the real world. This breakthrough has the potential to accelerate robotics development and improve the efficiency of robot training beyond anything previously imagined. But here's the question: how does this affect you? As a builder, do you have access to these AI agents, or are they out of reach? But wait, there's more. Enter Cursor's mobile app, turning coding into a game anyone can play. No need to sit at a desk with a mouse and keyboard anymore. A simple tap on your phone turns you into an AI-powered coder. Imagine this. You're standing outside, surrounded by the hustle of your city, but instead of looking around, you're focused intently on your smartphone. That's because Cursor has just launched its mobile app, revolutionizing how builders approach coding. Founder and CEO Alex Thompson says, "With Cursor, you can tap into powerful AI tools right from your pocket. No more cumbersome setup or complex interfaces, just intuitive, user-friendly coding." This isn't some pie-in-the-sky dream. The reality is staggering, a massive jump in accessibility that's democratizing the world of development. According to their research, over 90% of users report increased productivity within just 3 days of using Cursor. So what does this mean? It means that every builder, regardless of their experience level, can now tap into AI-powered coding. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. But here's the kicker. With this accessibility comes a new set of challenges. As more builders join the ranks, the need for robust training data and effective AI models becomes even more critical. Think about it. How do you ensure that every tap on your phone translates into a reliable, high-quality code snippet? Now, meet Bolt.new. This platform is not just another app. It's an entire ecosystem where builders can create complex applications with ease thanks to its cutting-edge AI tools. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you every step of the way. Imagine needing to develop a high-quality mobile application in record time. With Bolt.new, developers no longer have to grapple with the steep learning curves and technical complexities that often slow down the process. Instead, their AI-powered tools handle the heavy lifting, allowing them to focus on what matters most: the unique features and user experience of their app. According to Bolt.new CEO Alex Chun, our platform is designed to level the playing field for everyone, from experienced developers to beginners. The goal is not just to make development easier, but to democratize access to top-notch technology. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. Behind every successful application, there's a mountain of data and sophisticated models that make it run smoothly. And Bolt.new isn't just using any old data. Its AI agents are creating virtual playgrounds, much like the research at MIT, to generate the precise training data needed for these apps. In a recent interview, Alex shared, "Just as robots need practice in safe environments before integrating into our daily lives, our applications need rigorous testing and tuning. Our AI agents ensure that every app is thoroughly tested and optimized before it sees the light of day." The impact is staggering. Developers can now create complex applications up to 50% faster than traditional methods while maintaining or even exceeding quality standards. This has massive implications for both startups and established companies, offering a significant competitive edge in today's fast-paced tech landscape. But there's more. Bolt.new isn't just about making development easier. It's about redefining what's possible with AI-powered coding tools. As the company continues to push boundaries, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations that will transform how builders approach their projects. So, If you're a developer or someone who dreams of creating something incredible but is intimidated by the complexities involved, Bolt New might just be your new best friend in the world of AI-powered app development. And don't miss out on what's next. There's so much more to explore and innovate in this rapidly evolving space. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. As these amazing tools revolutionize app development and help robots get crucial training data, there's a catch. While these AI-powered coding tools and virtual playgrounds are empowering us to build more advanced apps and robots than ever before, they're also raising profound questions about who controls the data and how it's used. Take Bolt.new, for instance. This AI-powered app development platform is making it easier than ever to create complex applications. But every line of code you write, every interaction with their tools, feeds into a vast reservoir of training data. And that's not just some abstract idea. It's real, and the stakes are high. Now consider Cursor's mobile app, transforming coding for builders everywhere. This intuitive interface is democratizing access to AI-powered development. But what if the very data you're generating through this app is being harvested by Cursor? It's a powerful tool, but at what cost? And let's not forget about those virtual playgrounds MIT has created. These environments are training robots in ways that could lead to groundbreaking advancements. But who owns the data generated by these simulations? Are we empowering ourselves, or just making things easier for someone else with each line of code and every step our robots take? The more we rely on AI for training robots and building apps, the more critical this becomes. We need to ask, how much control do we really have over the data we generate through these tools? And who's watching how that data is being used behind the scenes? These questions are not just about privacy. They're about sovereignty. Are we empowering ourselves or just making things easier for someone else? So, you have these incredible tools at your fingertips. But what does it all mean? These innovations are not just changing the tech industry. They're redefining how we build and interact with technology. The real question is, are you ready for this new era? Imagine a world where robots learn to navigate virtual playgrounds before stepping into the real world. MIT researchers have shown us that by creating these dynamic environments, robots can practice complex tasks without the risks of physical interaction. This isn't just about making robots better. It's about accelerating their development and ensuring they can handle unforeseen challenges. But here's what nobody's talking about. These virtual playgrounds are not only a training ground for robots, they're also a breeding ground for innovation. As these AI agents learn and adapt, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. The data collected from these simulations is so rich that it could lead to breakthroughs we can't even imagine yet. Now, flip your attention to coding. Think about Cursor's mobile app, democratizing access to AI-powered development. It's not just streamlining code. It's making the complex world of coding accessible to anyone with a smartphone. Imagine a future where every builder, whether they're a seasoned developer or a tech-savvy hobbyist, can innovate and create without the steep learning curve. But here's the kicker. Bolt.new is taking this to an entirely new level. Their AI-powered app development platform is not just about making apps. It's about empowering creators to build complex applications with ease. The tools they're developing aren't simple shortcuts, but transformative technologies that will change how we think about software creation. The stakes are higher than ever. These tools are not just revolutionizing development practices. They're redefining the very landscape of tech. Are you ready for a world where every builder can create, innovate, and push the limits? Because if history teaches us anything, it's that the most impactful changes come from those who are willing to embrace the new. The future of AI builders is here, and it looks like a digital renaissance. From virtual playgrounds that help robots learn new skills to mobile apps that make coding accessible on the go, we're witnessing an incredible transformation in how we build with artificial intelligence. But what does this mean for you? As these tools continue to evolve, they won't just change the way we develop, they'll redefine it. Imagine a world where every builder can harness the power of AI to create anything they imagine, from complex applications that learn and adapt to robots that can perform tasks with unprecedented precision. These breakthroughs are only the beginning. The real question is, how will you integrate these tools into your work? Will you be left behind as others embrace this new era of innovation? If you want to stay ahead of this, you know what to do. Subscribe to OPXERA now. We'll keep you on the cutting edge of AI news and commentary. What's next for AI builders? You're about to find out. Next up, how are companies leveraging these tools to gain a competitive advantage in the market? Stay tuned as we dive into the latest trends and technologies shaping the future of AI development.